Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Qlikview. The objective of this particular exercise is how to change the border width of a chart in Qlikview. So over here, I have created one line chart. I'll show you the data which I have loaded. Go to the file. Same procedure we have to follow, and we have to go to this particular edit script option. I have loaded the Office City Sales Excel sheet. From that, I have loaded a table named as Office City Sales. I'll click on OK. Over here, this line chart is being displayed. So we have to right click, go to the properties, and in this particular general tab, this line chart, you can see that this is being highlighted. So I have loaded a line chart. I have taken a dimension as market and state, and as well as expression as sum of office sales. So the state as well as market is nothing but taken on the dimension axis. So this is nothing but indicating the state as well as market as well as state. So all these values is going to indicate the market as well as on the expression axis, that is on the y-axis, sum of office sales is in there. Now we have to change the border width. So for this purpose, we have to same procedure we have to follow. Right click, then click on the properties, and then this window is going to appear. This is nothing but the chart properties. So we have to go to the window named as so we have to go to this particular layout tab. So in previous case we were there in the expression tab. Now we have to go to this particular layout tab, and over here you can find out the option named as border width. So you can find out the changes in this particular line chart when I will increase the border width. So I can type over here also. Let us type it as 5. I'll click on apply and OK. So you can find out the border is going to change. So we can make it more attractive for analysis purpose, and making it more attractive we can do this. So I have increased the border width to 5 points. Same is the process. Right click on the chart, go to the properties and go to the layout tab. So if I want to increase it to say 10 points, I can increase it to 10 points. I'll click on apply and I'll click on OK. So this is what the border width is going to show us. So it is looking much more attractive. So I hope you have understood how to change the border width for a chart in Qlikview. Thanks for